Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a workbench, forge, chalk, and at least 10 materials. Once done, head to a communal hub or your camp where tracking is stable. You position the anvil and use chalk to mark the dashboard footprint. This orients other objects. Make sure your tools are on your bar and that you're hosting or have build permissions. This ensures the game registers placement. Now move into the placement sequence immediately. The rest depends on accurate alignment and available materials. You place the dashboard base directly on the chalk mark, aligning it to face you. This matters for UI orientation. Once set, attach the power conduit and then add sensors one at a time. Do half first to test load. After each sensor click, calibrate it through the radial menu. This prevents conflicts later. If a sensor won't snap, rotate the base slightly and reattempt. Make sure the power shows steady output. Without steady power, the display won't initialize, and you'll waste parts. You finish by installing the display module, powering the unit on, and running initial diagnostics to verify data feed. Once diagnostics pass, save the layout and log out, then back in to force a server sync if the dashboard doesn't appear. If the display fails to initialize, check power lines, build permissions, and that each sensor shows green. As a last resort, remove and replace the base slightly offset. This forces a reset and usually clears snap collisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.